Welcome to my world as it occurs to me. Did you think today was full of alerts? So far, the winds are calmer and it is mildly raining. So, as you can see, the water is not coming out as fast as earlier, but it is still continuously raining. It is 2:06 Sunday afternoon. And this is Hilary. So far she's been okay here in Los Angeles. Starting to come down a little harder now. It's a little after 2:30. So Hilary was expected at 5 o'clock in Los Angeles, but it's like she's not showing up. Time to take my mind off waiting for Hilary. Movie night. It is currently 6:20 on the 20th of August here in Los Angeles. The rain is steady. The winds are moderately mild, I would say. But it is as humid could be in the house, or my apartment. Anyway, this is it. We were expecting something around 5. Here's an hour later, and it's pretty tame. Let's hope it doesn't get any worse. Or if it does, it doesn't get worse than that. Alright. That is all. So that's it for today. Hilary turned out to be more of a summer tropical storm than a hurricane here in Los Angeles, which is good. However, I know there are different parts of Southern California that were suffering with flash floods in general. Obviously, there was an earthquake in Ojai and some in Big Bear. I think there were some 3.0s in Big Bear. Yeah, it was pretty much a weather-filled day for this summer storm. We'll see what happens tomorrow. And hopefully everything is done and dusted.